A picture is worth 1,000 words, but sometimes it's not enough to convey your ideas. If you look at YouTube thumbnails, flyers, posters and all that, text on image plays a major role. You don't need to stumble with complex design software and waste your precious time to do that. Hi, this is Praveen from Picmaker. Today I'm gonna show you how to add text to image in 3 different ways. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use a do-it-yourself design software called Picmaker that allows you to create stunning designs in minutes. Sign in or sign up to Picmaker using your credentials. Once you sign in, this is where you'll be coming in. We are on the dashboard right now. With Picmaker, you can add text to image in 3 different ways. First one is you can use the pre-designed templates. Once you choose a template, click on it. It will take you to the workspace. We are on the workspace right now. Our template is here. To change the background, click on Replace. You can either choose from millions of stock photos and backgrounds, or you can upload your own image here. Once you find an image that interests you, click on it and hit Apply. Now you can double tap a text to edit. The second way is to use the text prebuilts. Head to the text section on the sidebar. Here you've got a wide range of text prebuilts that Picmaker offers. Once you find one that interests you, click on it. You can edit the text by double tapping. The third one is to add a text from scratch. Under the text section, click on heading, subheading or body text. Based on your selection, your font size varies. Double tap on the text to edit. Click on the drop down at the top to change the font. You can either change the font size from here or you can scale it up and down like this. At the top, you can choose the color that best fits your image. Curved text is an interesting feature to try. As you bring the slider left or right, the text bends to give a creative look. And using text effects, you can add shadow, lift or glitch effect to your text. Let's say you want to add shadow. You can change the offset value, blur it if you want to, play around with transparency, and you can also change the direction of the shadow. Once you're done with the design, click on download. You can either share it to social media or download it in 3 different file types. Adding text to image has never been easier. Out of 3 ways, which one you're gonna use? Let me know in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one.